Example number. Find the discriminant. First you find the discriminant of the equation. The equation of 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 equal to 0. That is the equations. First you find the discriminant and hence find the nature of roots. The roots of equal or the roots are distinct points. The roots are no real roots. So is the any one of you find nature of roots. And next, if they are real. So if they are real numbers or real roots, they find the 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, ಒಂದು ವರ್ಗ ಸಮೀಕರಣ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರಲ್ಲ ಇದರದ್ದು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಮೊದಲ ಶೋಧಕ, ಆ ಶೋಧಕ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ಆ ಮೂಲಗಳ ಹೆಂಗದ ಆಫ್ 3x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ minus 2x plus 1 by 3 equal to 0. In the denominator of 3, first you find the LCM of that given equation. So is the 1 and 1. The LCM of 3. LCM is 3. Multiply of every one term by 3. Multiply of every one term 3x square into 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 3 equal to 0. So is 3 3s are 9x square, 2 3s are 6x plus 3 3 cancel 1 equal to 0. What is the questions are given? Find the discriminant. If starting the find the discriminant always easy, because next one is the questions the nature of roots is the one of question. So is therefore first you find that equations LCM multiply of the every one term by the LCM. 3x square 3 3s are 9x square and 2 3s are 6x, 1 by 3 3 3 cancel remaining 1. So is the equation. There is a equal to 9 and b equal to minus 6 and c equal to 1. C equal to 1. Find the discriminant. So is the discriminant equal to b square minus 4ac and delta equal to b square minus 4ac. So is delta equal to or discriminant equal to b. B is minus 6 square minus 4. A is 9 and c is 1. There is delta equal to minus 6 is 36 minus 4 9s are 36. 36 and 36 plus 36 minus 36, delta equal to 0. Delta equal to 0. The nature of roots, real roots is the one of question are real. Okay, yes it is real. Real roots. Real roots. Real roots, what is the answers of? So is therefore 9x square minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. Direct you find the delta equal to 0. That time not solutions of you direct what is the answers the given equation. So is therefore that time therefore minus b by 2a minus b by 2a use the rule in the delta equal to 0. That time use the rule minus b by 2a the answer. So is therefore minus 6 is there minus 6 and upon 2 a is 9. So is the 9 equal to minus minus plus 6, 2 9s are 18, 6 1s are 6 3s are the answers of 1 by 3. The answer 1 by 3. The given equations are rechecked. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದೀವಿ, ಆದ್ರೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಉತ್ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲೋ. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ಬಿಡಿಸೋದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಉತ್ತರನೇ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಈಗ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. 9x² minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. So that is the used in any one of the method or use the formula method. X equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac next by 2a. X equal to minus b is minus 6 plus or minus b is b square minus 4ac. The answer of b square minus 4ac, the answer 6 0. b square minus 4ac, the answers of 0. So is the b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is the solution to the back. What is the answer? 0. So is the 0 by 2a. A is the 9. There is therefore x equal to minus plus minus minus plus 6 plus or minus is the 0. Normal that point is the 0 and 2 9s are 18, 6 1s are 6 3s are x equal to answer of 1 by 3. X equal to answer of the 1 by 3. So is therefore directive solutions of that time the delta equal to 0, the answer is. So is therefore that time find the roots. Find the root, not solutions of that any one method use. So directive search of minus b by 2a. The rule minus b by 2a is the one of rule use. Minus, so is the minus b value. B value is the minus 6 and 2a. 2a, a is the 9, 2 9s are 18, 6 1s are 6 3s are 1 by 3. 1 by 3, so is the correct of 1 by 3. Yes, write it. In exercise 4.3, number first of one question. Find the nature of roots. Find the nature of roots you first. Of the following quadratic equations. So is the quadratic equation 2x² minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. So that they have two equal roots. Next, you find that delta equal to 0. What is the answers of quadratic equations? Therefore, once again, rewrite as given question. 2x² minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Note of that point, a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3, c equal to 5. There is delta equal to b square minus 4ac because find the nature of the roots first of given. So delta equal to b square minus 4ac. Delta equal to b minus 3 square minus 4. A is 2 and c is 5. There is minus 3 plus of 9 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 5 2s are 10, 10 4s are 40. So the answers of delta equal to 40 plus 9, so is the minus 31. Minus 31 is the delta less than 0. Therefore delta less than 0. Therefore the answer no real roots. Right. A is 3, b is minus 4 root of 3, c 4, c is plus 4. So there is delta equal to b square minus 4ac. There is delta equal to b minus 4 root of 3 square minus 4 a3 c4. Next one, delta equal to minus 4 plus 16. And so is the 2, be alert, 2 and square root of 2. So is the cancel remaining 3. 16 into 3. And next, 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48. 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48. Delta equal to 16 into 3, 48 minus 48. So delta equal to answer of 0. So is the delta equal to 0 real roots. Real roots is the one of given questions 2 equal roots. Find that 2 equal roots. So is therefore given 3x square minus 4 root of 3x plus 4 equal to 0. The answer of minus b by 2a direct minus b by 2a minus b is minus 4 root of 3. b is minus 4 root of 3 upon 2a. 2 into a is 3. So is minus plus root of 3. So is 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 2 3s are. The final answer 2 root of 3 by 3. The answers are roots of the given equation. Delta equal to b minus 6 square 4 2 3. Delta equal to 36. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 3 2s are 6. 6 4s are 24. Delta equal to 6 minus 4 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 12. 12 is greater than of 0. Delta greater than 0. So is the roots are distinct. Roots are distinct. Plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. So is the a equal to 2, b equal to k, b equal to k, c equal to 3. And delta equal to b square minus 4ac. The discriminant. Delta equal to b. b is k. k square 4 a 2 c 3. Delta equal to k square. So is the k square. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. There is the given. So that they have equal roots. That they have 2 equal roots. There is delta equal to 0 because given in the questions. So delta k square minus 24 equal to 0. And next of k is remaining same place, plus 24 to the transfer, minus 24 to the plus 24. K will leave plus or minus root of 24. K equal to plus or minus 4 6 the 24. So is the 4 6 the 4 is square number. So is the square root of 4 is answer 2. K equal to plus or minus 2 root of 6. That is K value. K value plus or minus 2 root of 6. Kx into x kx square minus kx into 2. So is the 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. A k b minus 2k c 6. Use the rule delta b square minus 4ac. Delta equal to b minus 2k square, because square minus 4, a is k, c is 6. Delta equal to minus 2 is the plus 4k square. Minus 2 plus 4k square minus plus, so is the minus 4 6 the 24 k. Given they have two equal roots is given. So is therefore delta equal to 0 is given in your questions. So delta answers of 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. There is multiply of the 4 or divisible by the 4, that equation. So is divisible by 4 that equation. 4 ones of 4 is the remaining k square, and minus 4 6 the 24k equal to 0. K is the common factor of that numbers. So is the selected k, remaining k minus 6 equal to 0. One of the 0, comparing 0, k equal to 0, one answer, k minus 6 second answer. K is 0, so is the k equal to 0, k minus 6 equal to 0, k equal to 0 or k equal to minus 6 is the plus 6. So is therefore the finally k equal to 0 or 6. The answer, the k value of 0 or 6. Number third one, is it possible? So the main, is it possible to decide a rectangular mango grows whose length is twice its breadth? So is length is twice of its breadth, and the area is given 800 meter. That rectangular mango grows the area of 800 square meter. If so, find its length and breadth. If so, it means yes, it is possible. So next you find the length and breadth. If so, that means it is not impossible or it is not possible. That time do not find the length and breadth. So therefore ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನು, ಇದು ಸಾಧ್ಯವೇ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಏನು, ಒಂದು ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಗ್ರೋಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದರದ್ದು ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ಉದ್ದ, ಈಸ್ ಟ್ವೈಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್. ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಉದ್ದವು ಅಗಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ 2 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, and the area is 800 square meters. ಅದರದ ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತಂದ್ರ 800 ಮೀಟರ್ಗಳು, ಚದರ ಮೀಟರ್ಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಪ್ಸೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಅದರ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿಂದ ಇದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಅದ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಇದು ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರ ಸೊ ಇಸ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ A, B, C, D. The given whose length is twice its breadth. Its breadth, it means AD equal to BC, two breadths, and length of DC and AB. So is let starting let breadth is L meter. L meter. So is the L you denoted by the L meter. So the breadth and length is twice its breadth. So is twice its breadth. Therefore, that is L. Length is twice. It means 2L. Length it means 2L. So is the 2L. And rectangular mango grows the area of given 800 square meters. Rectangular mango grows given area of the rectangular mango grows area rectangular mango grows equal to given 800 square meter or 800 square meter. It means 800. So is the area of rectangular field or rectangular mango grows L into B. L into B. Length into breadth equal to area. Area is the given 800. So is the L or B equal to B. It means breadth. Breadth is the noted of L. So is L equal to length. Length is the noted by the 2L. 2L. B into L or L into B same. Equal to 800. 2L into L, 2L square equal to 800. L square equal to 800 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So is the L square equal to 400. Next L equal to plus or minus root of 400. So is the L equal to plus or minus 20. L equal to not minus 20. So is the plus 20 meter. Length is the, it means L. L it means so is the breadth for 20 meter. So is breadth is 20 meter and length is 2L. 2 into 20 equal to 40 meter. So is therefore finally 40 into 20. Breadth is the 20 meter. Length is the 40 meter. So therefore B equal to 20 meter and L equal to 40 meter. 20 into 40 equal to 800 square meter. 20 into 40 equal to 800 square meter. Write it. Exercise 4.3. In the following situation possible. First you try that problem to the solution possible or impossible. If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the age of two friends is 20 years. The sum of 20 years. 4 years ago. So is the 4 years ago. The product of their ages in years was 48. Starting, let A present age X. A the present age of X years. So the second person, because of friends, the second person B present age 20 minus X. Because two friends, the age sum of 20 years given. So the first one party or A person, the present age of X. So therefore, B his friend, the present age of 20 minus X. Next, 4 years ago, there is the given 4 years ago. 4 years ago, A present age or A is X minus 4 and B is 20 minus X minus 4. So is therefore 20 minus 4 16 minus X. Next one, the product of their ages. The product of their ages equal to 48. Given their ages in years was 48. So is X minus 4 and second one 16 minus X 16 minus X because there is the product given and equal to 48. X 16 X plus minus X square minus plus minus 16 4s 64. 4 6 24 carried to 4 4 1s 4 to 6. Next minus plus 4 into X 4X equal to 48 minus X square. So therefore that point to the transfer and there is once again 16 plus 4 is the same of X 20X because plus 16X plus 4X plus 20X remaining minus X square minus 64 equal to 48. That point show the change because plus X square positive number. So therefore plus X square to the transfer plus 20X is the minus 20X minus 64 is to the plus 64. There is the same place plus 48 equal to 0. X square minus 20X 8 plus 4 12 carry 1 8 plus 4 12, 6 plus 4 10 plus 1 11, 112 equal to 0. That is the equation. That equation is to the solutions of possible or impossible. So that time you will be first you check it. So therefore A equal to 1, B equal to minus 20, C equal to 112. Therefore delta equal to B square minus 4AC. There is delta equal to B minus 20 square minus 4. A is 1, B is 1 1 2. Next there is delta equal to 20 squares are 400, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4 and 4 ones are 4. So is delta equal to 400. So is the minus 448 minus 48. Minus 48 is to the solutions to the possible or impossible. Impossible solution is given in the following situation. Possible, so is the impossible because delta less than 0, no real roots, no real roots, impossible. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter? So is the one of the rectangular park A, B, C, D. The perimeter of 80 meter. So is the breadth of B and length is L. So is let breadth is B meter and length is L meter. Given the perimeter of AT. So is therefore 1B. So is the B and L. 2B and 2L. The rule of 2 bracket L plus B equal to AT. There is L plus B equal to AT by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are 0. Therefore L plus B equal to 40. And next of one, L equal to 40 minus B or B equal to 40 minus L, anyone. So is therefore L equal to 40 minus B, that is number 1. And next of area is given. So is the area of 400 square meters. Area, it means L into B. L into B equal to 400 square meters. So is the L equal to back answer 40 minus B. L is the 40 minus B. So is the fill or substitute L equal to 40 minus B. 40 minus B bracket B equal to 400 because L equal to 40 minus B. That point is substitute in L place B into 40, 40B, B into B, B square, 400. So negative point, that is the change of positive, plus B square, plus 40 is the minus 40B, that is same place, plus 400, because is the same place, minus B square plus B square minus 40B, plus 40B is the minus 40B, plus 400 equal to 0. That is the already equation ready. Yes, that is questions of is it possible. So is therefore check it. A equal to 1, A equal to, so is the 1, and B equal to minus 40, B equal to minus 40, C equal to plus 400. Therefore, delta equal to B square minus 4AC. There is delta equal to B minus 40 square minus 4, A is 1 and C is 400. So therefore next try delta equal to, there is 40 into 40 minus 40 into minus 40, so is the 1600 and 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 16 to 0, 1600. Delta equal to 1600 minus 1600 is 0. 0 is the roots are same, so is the real roots. Real roots are same. So is the, is it possible? So is the, it is a possible. It is a possible. It is a possible, it means find the answer. So is therefore direct because 0. So minus B by 2A. B by 2A is the rule used because delta equal to 0. That time use the rule of minus B by 2A. Therefore minus B is minus 40 and 2 A is 1. A is 1. So is the minus plus 40 and 2A. It means 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 20s are. It means 20 meter. S is the 20 meter. Next you find the length. So is the L equal to 40 minus B. So therefore L equal to 40 minus B. There is L equal to 40 minus 20 equal to 20 meter. There is B equal to 20 meter and L equal to 20 meter. So is therefore B equal to 20 meter, L equal to 20 meter. So is the 20. So is the 20. 20, 20, 40, 60, 80. Therefore, all the sides are equal. Therefore, that given is the square. Yes. Therefore, ABCD is a square.